Join me for the next 30 days as I take on the challenge of eating super healthy. Can I stick to it? If you've made a New Year resolution that you will start eating healthy and lose weight for 2026, well, you are just like me. So these videos are just going to be encouraging videos for the next 30 days as you join me on this healthy mission. Join me each day for a tasty meal idea. Healthy does not have to be tasteless. So let's see what I make for day one. We are starting off this meal by making some delicious crispy potato wedges that are crispy on the exterior and internally they are very soft. So you have to wash these potatoes very well because I am using the skin on and that is going to give me some extra fiber. Once you have cut the potatoes into quarters, you want to cut them on a bias and that will give you the shape with a sharp point just like this from the flesh in. Add these to a pot of simmering water that you have salted and you want to leave them in the pot for 9 minutes. No more than 9 minutes. We just want to make sure that they are pre-cooked so that they will be nice, soft and tender. Once they are done, you want to drizzle a little bit of olive oil over the potatoes and you want to massage it to make way for the spices to stick. And this should just take about 30 seconds.
We have some garlic powder, some potato seasoning that I use for mashed potatoes, some black pepper, some chili flakes, a little bit of salt, and some paprika.
Pour the flavors over the potato and then you want to rub all of these nice flavors in. This recipe will not be written in the description box because I am just eyeballing all the flavors. We have our nice potato wedges, so let's head over to our air fryer. I am using an air fryer to fry my potatoes, but you can bake them in an oven, and in the oven it should take you about 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and then you want to mix them up and go another 15 minutes. But in the air fryer, it's only going to take me about 13 minutes. Half the way through, I am going to flip them and they're going to be done. After 30 minutes, this is what our potatoes look like. Beautiful, golden, nice and crispy. Next recipe, we are going to be making some fish sticks. I have 4 pieces of fish sticks. I'm going to use a fresh lime and I'm going to squeeze the juice over along with some fresh thyme. Thyme goes very well with fish. And these fish that I'm using is bassa steaks. Bassa steaks are freshwater fish and they're really delicious.
We have some Maggi fish, some parsley, garlic, black pepper, onion, Cajun seasoning. I'm adding some fresh garlic to this.
You want to rub the flavors into the fish and allow the fish to rest for about 20 minutes. Baking and steaming are 2 other healthy ways to cook the fish. Now we are going to place them into our air fryer and we are going to cook these for 15 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Be sure to add some healthy recipe ideas in the comment section and I will be sure to try some of those. Into a pot that is very hot, you want to add some olive oil, about 1 to 2 teaspoons. We're going to add some garlic. We're adding some pimento peppers, some onions. We are adding some sweet peppers, slices, and we are adding some carrots. And we're going to saute this on nice high heat because we are not using any water in this recipe. We are relying on the heat to break down our delicious cabbage. And speaking about cabbage, I cut my cabbage very small because I don't really enjoy cabbage, and if I'm going to eat healthy for 30 days, I must cut these very small. You can cut them however you like. And we're going to saute this for about 5 minutes. And then we're going to add some Cajun seasoning, a little bit of Maggi. This is the Maggi vegetable. And we're going to sprinkle a little bit of salt to bring everything together because the cabbage has really nice sweetness. On this 30-day journey, I am not going to be consuming any sugars, and none of my meals will have sugar. I'm just going to rely on the fruits or the vegetables for the sweetness. You want to saute this for a few minutes. After about 5 minutes in total, this is the final product. And here we have our beautiful bowl of fish, wedges, and sauteed cabbage. How healthy is this? If you have recipe ideas that I could use on this journey, throw it in the comment section and I will definitely give it a try. If you enjoyed making my first healthy recipe with me, give the video a thumbs up, a subscribe. Help me to grow my YouTube channel by sharing. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and see you in another one of my recipes. Be on the lookout for day 2.